Out with the old and in with the new. Presenting the all-new unboxing experience that's more exciting, more engaging, and more memorable.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff. The crew is in orbit, traveling at nearly 17,000 miles an hour.
And there you have it. We've elevated the unboxing experience from a basic package to something truly memorable. Your customers will now receive their jewelry in a beautifully designed box, accented with luxurious golden metallic wrapping paper and matching foil stickers. Inside the box, they'll find a personalized thank you card, a cleaning cloth, and even a handmade scented sachet. It's not just about the product anymore. It's about creating an experience that delights from the moment they open the box. Out with the old and in with the new. Enjoy!